I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to keep track of your spending or just want to review your transactions on N26, here is a simple guide to help you check your transaction history. Step 1. Open the N26 app. Launch the N26 mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your financial information. Step 2. Navigate to the home screen. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Select your account. Tap on the account for which you want to view the transaction history. This will take you to a detailed view of that specific account. Step 4. View transaction history. Scroll down to see your transaction history. You can view all past transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and purchases. Use the filter options to narrow down the date range if needed. Step 5. Export or download. If you need a copy of your transaction history, look for the export or download option, usually found in the settings or menu. This can help you keep records for budgeting or tax purposes. Remember, if you don't see a transaction you expect, it might be due to a delay in processing. Always check back later if something seems off. I hope this helps you keep track of your finances more easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.